So here's how to add related pages to Wix CMS. First of all, you need to open up your browser and go to wix.com. And as you can see, I'm already logged into my account. So once you're logged into your Wix account, click on My Site on the top left, and then click on Go to All Sites. After that, you'll be directed to the Sites page. From here, click on Select and Edit Site on whichever site you want to edit. So, on the next page, you need to click on Design Site on the top right corner. So once you're here on your website template, click on Pages and Menu on the left side. After that, click on Add beside Site Menu on this panel. Now, you need to click on Dynamic Pages on the bottom left corner. After that, you'll get a lot of layouts to choose from. So, go through the layouts and click on Add Pages on whichever one you like. And as you can see, it's creating pages. So once it gets loaded up, click on Pages and Menu on the left side again, and you can see dynamic pages right here. So that is exactly how you can add related pages to Wix CMS. If you want to use Wix, click on the link down in the description of this video. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video if this helps you out.